with the tractor, technically the backhoe.
Wow, look at those controls.
Mostly the backhoe part of the backhoe, not the front part, because the front part kind of sucks.
Wow, is it so much fun?
It's so fun!
Oh, look at this big driveway Uncle Ian made. Wow. Nice job. Do you want to show them the controls?
Well, I mean, I don't actually know what they do. It's just in my, it's linked in my head. Pretty sure this one goes back, this and forth, and then this goes up and down. This one pulls it like this, and then goes back and forth. This one goes, pulls the scoop in, and then lifts the thing up and down.
And then you have to turn around to drive it?
Yeah, and then I have to flip around like this.
Oh.
To drive it, yeah.
Wow. Cool.
And right now we're about to, we are literally on the most precarious position. I feel like I'm gonna roll this thing. It's very likely gonna roll this thing. I mean, this is great!